Today we'll talk about how can you select who can quit you on your Threads app. We'll go to figure out the selection on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go above this sign, click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, just click here on notifications. So then you come to next step here, click here on threads and replace. You just click on it here, then you go down, just keep going down here. You come here to quit, and here can you select who can quit you in this list here. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.